Day Sai Kids.
10 lines essay about cat. The cat is one of the most popular pet animals. It is a carnivorous animal, which means it is a flesh-eating animal. It has a very powerful eyesight. It has 4 legs, 2 sharp eyes, 2 beautiful ears and 1 tail. It has a sharp teeth, strong flexible body and retractable claws that used to kill small prey. It produces a meow sound. It loves to stay in warm places. It is good in climbing. Nowadays, it is almost found in every house. It is very friendly, playful, and attractive nature with children and human beings. The lifespan of a cat is 12 to 18 years. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.